Hey guys, we're going to talk about the remainder theorem. We've been talking about polynomial division. So we just finished up long division and synthetic division with polynomials, and the remainder theorem goes along with that. So let's see what the remainder theorem says. If a polynomial p of x is divided by the binomial b minus a, and a is just some number, guys, the remainder obtained is p of a. All right, so looking at an example, let's see what this actually means. So they give us p of x, they give us a polynomial, x cubed minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 10 was divided by x minus 2. The remainder can be determined by finding p of 2. All right, so I'm going to write this out and then we're going to check it. All right, so looking at this polynomial and p of 2, remember this is your x value. So p of x or p of 2, all we have to do is substitute 2 in place of x. So I'm going to come over here and say 2 cubed minus 4x squared. Whoops, supposed to put a 2 in there. All right, so minus 4 times 2 squared minus 7 times 2 plus 10. All right, so 2 cubed is 8. And we have to do powers before we multiply. So 2 squared is 4. 4 times negative 4 is minus 16. Negative 7 times 2 is negative 14. And then bring down my 10. All right, so I have 8 minus 16 is negative 8. Negative 8 and negative 14 is negative 22. Plus 10 is negative 12. So this is saying that p of 2 is negative 12. So what that's saying is if we divide this polynomial by this factor, our remainder is negative 12. Okay, so let's check that. All right, guys, so we just used the remainder theorem to show that the remainder of this polynomial when divided by x minus 2 is negative 12. So let's double check that using synthetic division just so you can see how this kind of all works together. So if I use 2, that's negative, so I'm going to use positive 2 to do synthetic division. And then bring down my coefficients, 1, negative 4, negative 7, and 10. Bring down the 1. 2 times 1 is 2. This comes down, add them together, you get negative 2. That becomes negative 4 when you multiply. My 4 does not look very good. All right, negative 7 plus negative 4 is negative 11, and 2 times negative 11 is negative 22. 10 plus negative 22 is negative 12. So that is my remainder. So the remainder theorem, we did that first, but we just substituted 2 in for x, p of 2, substitute 2 in for x, and that gives you the remainder. So if you want to check division, long division, or synthetic division, you can use the remainder theorem.